29W into the Fairfax connector system as the new routes 703, 713, 803, 834, and 835. And as you can see, these are well outlined for folks to be able to understand. These posters are throughout the network for passengers to get familiar with the new route numbers and the new opportunities for transit. These 5 routes serve key areas of Fairfax County, linking communities of McKay, East Falls Church, as well as the West Falls Church and Pentagon Metro Rail stations. Amazingly, these routes serve approximately 69,000 residents and provide connections and access to over 36,000 jobs within Fairfax County. So these are critically important routes that will serve thousands of people in Fairfax County and throughout our region with these new connector bus routes. And so it's a great day that we are able to celebrate the county stepping forward, taking over these routes and providing key connections for so many of our passengers to get people back on transit, to get our economy going, and to make sure that transit service for bus riders in this area has never been better than it will be starting on July 10th, 2021. And so we are pleased to restore and enhance these services and make sure that they're successful. With me today is my good friend from our county board who represents so many of the folks in this area as well, and that is Drainesville District Supervisor John Foust. John?
Thank you, Jeff, and thank you for the introduction, and thank you for your leadership on all things transit. We really appreciate it. So, I am Supervisor John Foust, and I represent the Drainesville District on the Fairfax County Board of Supervisors. This is an exciting time for Fairfax Connector with these changes coming on July 10. Fairfax Connector will now have 100 routes serving Fairfax County. In addition to the new routes the chairman highlighted, we're making improvements to routes 462 and 467, providing service between Dunloren and Tyson's Corner Metro Rail stations, while serving activity centers and employment along Maple Avenue. We're also improving Route 171, providing weekend service between Huntington Metro Rail Station and the Museum of the Army. Fairfax Connector continues to look for new ways to serve our community. Buses are a cost-effective, environmentally friendly, and relaxing way to get where you need to go. Every time there are proposed changes to our service, we make sure that the community has a chance to weigh in on those changes. More transformation is coming to our region. Fairfax Connector customers can look forward to the opening of the Silver Line, Phase 2, to Dulles Airport and beyond, along with enhanced bus service to connect the new Reston, Herndon, and Innovation Metro Rail stations in 2022. We remain committed to enhance cleaning protocols to ensure that our passengers can travel safely, and we are continually working to improve Fairfax Connector for everyone. Let's get there together. Thank you for joining us today.
There's availability for questions. If anybody'd like to do any one-on-one interviews, that would be great. Just let us know. Step right over here. You guys want any? Oh, Matt Movement, yeah.
I've got you on video, Matt.
Hey, good morning.
How you doing?